If you are looking for a phone that balances power, display quality, and battery life without costing a fortune, the Xiaomi POCO F7 Ultra might catch your eye. It has some serious specs that promise a smooth experience, but how well does it actually work day to day? I have been using this phone for a while, and here is what I found. Starting with the display, this phone features a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, which means colors look vibrant and blacks are deep. The resolution is sharp at 1440 by 3200 pixels, so everything looks crisp whether you are watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games. The screen refreshes at 120 Hz, which just means everything moves smoothly without any noticeable lag or stutter. If you care about how your screen looks and feels, this is a big plus. Moving on to performance, the POCO F7 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. What does that mean for you? In simple terms, the phone can handle multiple apps, games, and heavy tasks without slowing down. I tested popular games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile, and the phone ran them without any hiccups. It stayed responsive and frame rates were steady. But if you try to run the highest graphics settings for a very long time, the phone will warm up a bit. That is normal for most phones with this level of power. One of the standout things about this phone is the battery. It has a 5300 mAh cell, which is above average. In real life, that means you can easily get through a full day of heavy use without looking for a charger. Whether you are streaming videos, playing games, or browsing the web, the battery lasts comfortably. When it is time to charge, the POCO supports 120 W wired fast charging. This charger can fill the battery from 0 to full in just around 34 minutes. So if you are in a hurry, you are not stuck waiting hours. It also supports 50 W wireless charging, which is handy if you want to avoid cables. The camera setup on the POCO F7 Ultra is solid but not perfect. The main camera is a 50 megapixel sensor that takes sharp and detailed photos in good lighting conditions. You get two 50 megapixel cameras here, one wide and one telephoto, with optical image stabilization (OIS), which helps keep photos clear when your hands shake. The ultra-wide camera captures more in a frame, but with less detail. The front camera is 32 megapixels and takes crisp selfies with natural skin tones. Low-light photos are decent but not amazing, so do not expect this phone to replace a professional camera. Build quality is impressive. The phone has Gorilla Glass on the front and back, making it resistant to scratches. The aluminum frame adds to the premium feel. On top of that, it is IP68 rated, so it is dust-tight and water-resistant up to 2.5 meters for 30 minutes. That kind of protection is rare in this price range and adds peace of mind. One downside is that the POCO F7 Ultra does not have expandable storage. You get either 12GB RAM with 256GB or 16GB RAM with 512GB options, which is plenty for most users, but you cannot add a micro SD card later. Also, it does not have a headphone jack, which might be a deal breaker if you prefer wired headphones. However, Bluetooth audio quality is excellent thanks to Snapdragon sound support. To sum up, the Xiaomi POCO F7 Ultra offers a bright, smooth display, strong performance for gaming and apps, a reliable battery with super fast charging, and a capable camera setup. It is best for users who want flagship-level speed and screen quality without paying flagship prices. If you want the absolute best camera or ultra-sleek design, you may want to look elsewhere. But for most people, this phone hits a sweet spot between price and features. One user said after switching to POCO F7 Ultra, "I finally got a phone that feels fast and looks great, and the battery lasts all day. It is not perfect, but it is exactly what I needed." So if you value speed, display, and battery life more than anything else, POCO F7 Ultra is a solid choice you should consider seriously. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews like this. And if you have any questions or want me to test something specific on this phone, drop a comment below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.